Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you a clean with me video where I pretty much clean most of my house. It was the beginning of my staycation. I was off work for 10 days and I just wanted to get my house clean before it started. That way I didn't have to clean all week.
I'm laying low. Got me drowning. Feel like running away, but I'm staying.
I know I've said this several times before, but my living room stays pretty chaotic. I will clean up this living room and organize all these pillows on the sectional, and within an hour or two it'll be just like you saw it in the beginning.
You move me to my core.
I hope you guys enjoy the new music I put in this video. These are 3 new songs that I just downloaded for this video, and I spent a couple hours looking for just the perfect songs, so I hope you enjoy them. Let me know down in the comments below if you do. I believe that the music and videos is the reason why I watch so many cleaning videos, because it seems that they always have the best music. This was long overdue, so I'm just taking some Method glass cleaner and cleaning off the inside and outside of my front porch screen door. Right here I am using the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, and I'm really excited because my Mrs. Meyer's pumpkin scent just came in, so I'm really glad that I get to start using some fall scents around the house. I've already started using my fall candles, so I can't wait to start using the all-purpose spray and the dish soap.
Got me drowning, feel like running away, but I'm staying. I need your love and not a haven, no one-man show.
So I have a question for you. I've got asked a couple times on Instagram why I never use my dishwasher. I just usually prefer to wash dishes by hand. It's a lot faster and easier in my opinion. I can clean them a lot better than my dishwasher in my opinion. So let me know in the comments below, do you use your dishwasher or do you prefer to wash your dishes by hand? Now I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off all the surfaces in my kitchen, that way I can start vacuuming and mopping. So this Kaboom is my new favorite bathroom cleaner, especially for the bathtubs and the showers, just because it literally gets everything off. You don't even really have to scrub, and it just comes completely clean, gets all the soaps come off. I just love it. I can't believe I've never tried it before.
I feel everything inside me changes all over again. Can't wait, knowing that our love is tainted. Yeah, tainted. We're running blind and we don't know why. Was it really what we had in mind? Running wild, only losing time. Yeah, we left here without love. We're out of time, and time don't wait. We're in heaven, but we lost our way. We're out of time, again and again. Thought we'd make it, but we lost in the end. Yeah, lost in the end. Out of time again.
So now it's time to vacuum. I always vacuum and mop my house last. That's just my cleaning routine that I usually use. I don't know about you guys. Do you have a certain way you clean? Do you clean in a certain order? That's just the way I like to do things.
In the end. I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you.
I am still using the Method Wood Floor Cleaner, and I'm loving it. I really love the smell of it. For so long I was using vinegar and water, and I am glad that I switched to this because that vinegar left a horrible smell throughout my house when I got done, and this stuff smells so much better.
I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Thank y'all for sticking around to the end and watching another cleaning video. I hope you will stick around and subscribe and like this video if you like cleaning videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Playing songs on my guitar.